Chapter 10, question 17. Which of these acid-base neutralization reactions could be titrated using the apparatus shown above to give a sharp endpoint? Now, a sharp endpoint means one drop of the solution can change the color of the indicator. Then we know that is the endpoint. Now we look at A. We have sulfuric acid and aluminium oxide. Now, aluminium oxide is not soluble in water. So, it is not suitable to use this reaction to do acid-base neutralization between sulfuric acid and aluminium oxide. Now, to use this type of setup, we need soluble acids, we need soluble bases. So, not for insoluble base like aluminium oxide. Okay, so I'd like to make a note here. Okay, insoluble. Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is also an ionic solid that has very, very low solubility. It's close to insoluble in water. So again, it is not suitable to use this apparatus to do the neutralization. Yes, you might say the sulfuric acid will slowly dissolve the magnesium hydroxide. But remember, we want a sharp endpoint. That means very fast. You see, if magnesium hydroxide, the solubility is low, so when you run sulfuric acid from the burette, so magnesium hydroxide will still have to slowly dissolve in sulfuric acid and react with it. So the endpoint will be the change in pH will be gradual, very, very slow. So you won't get a sharp endpoint. Same goes to magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide dissolve in water to give you magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium oxide itself is already something that has very low in solubility. Then forms magnesium hydroxide, also low solubility. Again, close to insoluble, yeah? So will not give us sharp endpoint by using titration. Now D, sulfuric acid is soluble in water. Sodium hydroxide, group 1 salts, they are always soluble in water. So this time, this sodium hydroxide is soluble in water. Both are aqueous solution. They have free moving cations, anions. Will react with each other very fast, so it will give you a sharp endpoint. So D is the only acid-base pair where you can use titration, like using this apparatus, to neutralize each other and give you a sharp endpoint.